What's up, guys? Mickle here, and for the first time in a while, the crypto markets are looking very good. Guys, in this video, I want to go over some short-term price analysis. Where can we expect prices to go in the short term? Is the rally we are currently seeing in the crypto market sustainable? But guys, after that, I really want to go over some longer-term price predictions. What price can XRP hit in 10 to 15 years from now? Because guys, a lot of people throw out predictions, and I don't think they're really that well thought out. Guys, in this video, I want to go over that, but towards the end of this video, I want to give you guys one of the easiest explanations of the Flare network you have ever heard. Guys, I see so many people messaging me saying, I don't really understand the Flare network. I don't understand why it's so great. Guys, if you are one of those people, make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you something that you are definitely going to want to see. Like always, guys, your support means so much to this channel. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications. These three simple things are going to go such a long way in helping this channel grow, and it really does mean so much to me. If you guys ever need a good place to buy some XRP or the Flare token, make sure to check out my favorite exchange, Uphold, down in the description of this video. Guys, Uphold has been blowing it out of the water recently. They have all kinds of new features, including an XRP debit card. So guys, if you do not have an account with Uphold already, I highly suggest you make one using the link in the description of this video. With that said though, guys, let's jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. So guys, I want to start this video off and just do a shorter term price analysis for both Bitcoin and XRP, because as we can see, Bitcoin has a very nice rally going on, and I know not everyone holds Bitcoin, but guys, it's really important to understand that Bitcoin really does control the cryptocurrency market. If Bitcoin falls off a cliff, altcoins are going to follow, and that's just the way it is. So as we can see though, Bitcoin has a very nice rally going on right now, and there is a ton of buying volume coming into the market. Guys, this is a great sign to see because for the past couple months, we have just been seeing a constant downtrend. We kept on making lower highs and lower lows, and because of this, guys, the price just continued on a downward spiral. But guys, for the first time in a while, we're really seeing a pretty strong reversal, and us getting above these prior levels right here is a great sign that we could be reversing the trend. Now guys, what we really need to see is we need Bitcoin to form a base up here and really make sure it's going to hold above these levels and not just once again fall off a cliff and continue trending down. Guys, if Bitcoin is able to make a support up here and then actually make a move upward, guys, that would be a very positive sign that this market is reversing. Now, if we take a look at the XRP price chart as well, we can see that XRP actually bottomed a while ago and really hasn't come close to going below this. I showed this all the time on the channel, but what XRP is really fighting right now is this massive resistance that's been in play for almost 2 years now. And guys, we really just want to see a big weekly candle come close above this. If that was to happen, that would put us in a very good position to end the current downtrend. And guys, that could mean a whole new start to a new bull market. We really just need to see a reversal in the current direction price is going. And for a long time now, almost 2 years, we have seen the price just steadily decreasing on the same slope. We really want to see this trend break because that would be a very positive catalyst to create a new trend that is hopefully to the upside and not the downside. Guys, right now, XRP is on the verge of breaking this top resistance, so let's hope we are able to punch through this time. We have tried a bunch of times in the past and weren't able to do it. We ended up falling below the support, but guys, we're pretty far away from that support right now, so let's hope we can break through here. One of the biggest things that's really going to be determining this in the short term is the US dollar. Guys, the US dollar has been falling off a cliff really for the past couple weeks, and as many of you could probably put together, this has been happening at the same exact time crypto has been rallying. Guys, it's no coincidence. As people flee from the US dollar, people rush into other assets, and one of those assets is cryptocurrencies. As you can see, for the last year to 2 years, we have been seeing a massive rally in the dollar, and guys, this is really what's put a lot of pressure on markets in general. Guys, typically when the dollar starts crashing like this, it's not some short-term crash, and it normally goes down for a while. It would be really good to see the dollar come all the way back to these 2021, 2022 levels, because guys, that would take a lot of pressure off markets. It would allow a lot more capital to flow back into cryptocurrency and make this recent pump a lot more sustainable. Guys, it really does look like to me that's probably what's going to happen. We have seen record inflation in the United States, and it really doesn't make sense for the dollar to be trading so strong. We've really lost a lot of credibility in our financial system, and likely over the long term, this is going to cause the value of the dollar to devalue itself. Guys, just think about how much dollars have been devalued over the last couple years, and think how little that's reflected in this price chart. Things have gotten so much more expensive, but if you take a look at this price chart, it is showing us that the dollar is still way stronger than it was in 2021 and even 2019. Guys, because of this, I'm expecting the dollar to really rip downward. The main reason the dollar even got this high was because so many people were terrified of some Great Recession or Great Depression. Guys, if that does not play out, people are going to be forced to flee dollars because they're being devalued at such an exponential rate. And guys, they are going to look to hedges to hedge that dollar, and a great place for that will be cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is some very good things happening in the short term on the macro and on the price charts themselves, but I quickly want to talk about the longer term now, because a lot of people are saying, oh, well, XRP is likely going to push to $10, but that will likely be the end of the pump and XRP will likely stall out around there. Well, guys, that is certainly not what I think will happen. A lot of people have these weird price predictions at XRP at exactly $10. I'm really not sure exactly where this comes from. I think they're just taking a random percentage off the previous all-time high. But guys, I just wanted to show you this because this got a lot of attention. I tweeted this last night, and I think this gives you a good mindset on really predicting where the price of XRP could go. I tweeted out, when Amazon was a penny stock, was a realistic price prediction for Amazon only $10? You probably would have told you were pushing unrealistic hype if you said Amazon could one day go to $1,000. And guys, the main reason I tweet this out is it just puts a lot of things in perspective. A lot of people are saying that the highest XRP could go would be $10 because then the market cap would be around $1 trillion, and oh, it can't have a market cap of over $1 trillion because that would be almost the size of Apple. Guys, what people need to understand is no one can predict how high a market cap for a new technology would go. When Amazon was trading at $5 to $10, everyone was saying, oh, Amazon can't go to $100. That would be a bigger market cap than GE. Guys, now Amazon has a market cap 10 to 15 times the size of GE, and no one thinks anything about it. The problem is most people don't understand these technologies. Most people don't understand how valuable these technologies could be until they are already at astronomically higher market caps than many people were predicting in the past. The thing you really need to take away from this is saying XRP can only get to $10 just doesn't make any sense. Guys, if XRP gets to $10 and has $1 trillion of market cap, it's not going to stop there. It's likely just going to keep on going. And people ask me then, well, how is it going to get to $1 trillion in market cap? How is that much money going to flow into XRP? And guys, just take a look at the use cases. Right here, we have a document. It says it's very rare. I don't know if it's really very rare, but I haven't seen it before. But what it is doing is establishing a connection between Ripple and the Central Bank of Mexico. Guys, just think about how much value is held in the central banks of Mexico. All of that value can flow directly into the XRP ledger. And guys, we have seen so many different documents like this from central banks all around the world. I have shown so many different connections between Ripple, XRP, and the Federal Reserve. And guys, the Federal Reserve likely has hundreds of trillions of dollars of value. And then just take a look at something like this because this just adds even more value to the pie. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, wants to tokenize stocks and bonds. Guys, BlackRock has hundreds of trillions of dollars of assets that they want to put on the blockchain. Guys, with all this value flowing into these different systems, these different blockchains, we are going to see the price of the tokens rise exponentially. This is why it's so dumb to make the point, oh, XRP can't go to $1 trillion in market cap because that's almost as big as the market cap of Apple. Guys, the entire market cap of Apple could be tokenized on the XRP ledger, as well as the market cap of Amazon, the market cap of Google, the market cap of Ford, the market cap of Tesla. All these market caps can all be put directly on a blockchain, and that token that operates that blockchain will eat up the value. This is why I think it's so important to look at some of this stuff differently. Not a lot of people really understand how much value can flow into these different things. And I just think it's so important to consider that when people are saying, oh, sell your XRP at $10 because it will stop there. Guys, if XRP really achieves what it's meant to do in this world, it is going to be worth so much more than $10, and don't let anyone tell you differently whose only reason is market cap. So guys, I want to finish this video off and quickly talk about Flare because I really do think Flare is going to change all of crypto. I have a feeling it's going to be one of the most important protocols in the future. And I know a lot of people have a hard time understanding it, guys. It is very complex. I just want to give you a very easy way to help wrap your head around it. Because, guys, this is really how I think. As an investor, you don't have to understand all the intricate tech on a micro level. It's really a waste of time. What you need to do is you need to build confidence in the team. You need to trust that the team is not fraudulent. You need to trust that the team is going to be able to achieve what they're saying they're going to do. But guys, as long as you can trust that, all you need to do is understand what they are trying to solve, why it is so important, and then make an investment decision on that. Yes, you're going to have to put some trust in the team, but guys, if you're not a person who wants to get into all the technicals and understand the protocol on a deep code level basis, you're just going to have to trust some people. So what I want to show you is just why Flare is so important on a very, very, very simple level. Guys, right here, what we have is before Flare. And it's showing all these different cords that you might use to plug into your computer and send information from one place to another. What you guys are going to see here and what you probably experience on a day-to-day basis is you need a different cord for everything. It doesn't make any sense and it's really annoying. This is what we have in blockchain right now. You want to connect two blockchains together or send assets from one blockchain to another, you have to use 3 different bridges. You have to sell on different exchanges. You have to wrap. Guys, it's a shit show. It normally takes like 45 minutes to hours, depending on what assets you're transferring. It's annoying and it's honestly dangerous because a lot of these bridges or cords are kind of broken, kind of centralized, and you lose your assets. What Flare is doing is they are making one connector that's simple and easy to use that connects all blockchains in an efficient way, but most importantly, it's safe because it's collateralized. When you use Flare, you actually have insurance money on your assets that are being moved from chain to chain. Because of this, you have very low risk that there's going to be any problems when you are using this much easier type of bridge. Guys, I know this probably still sounds a little bit like gibberish, but what you really need to understand is Flare is drastically improving the way different blockchains bridge to each other, and guys, they are doing it in a way that is much safer. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope you enjoyed this little segment at the end to kind of break down a very complex topic and make it easier. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does mean so much. And for now, Mickle out.